can't always get what you want, but if you try, sometimes you get what you need. Mostly people will treat you according to their needs and greed. If your absence does not affect them, your presence never mattered. A man must be big enough to admit his mistakes and strong enough to correct them, smart enough to profit from them. If you expect the world to be fair with you because you are fair, that's like expecting the lion not to eat you because you did not eat him. You will never be who you want to be until you are happy with who you are. Work as if you were to live as 1,000 years. Play as if you were to die tomorrow. Never be so kind you forget to be clever, and never be so clever you forget to be kind. Your true friends became apparent when you are at your lowest. People change, love hurts, friends leave, things go wrong, but remember life goes on. When you try to please everybody, you almost always please nobody. Sometimes you have to let go of something good to make room for something better. One negligible action can have devastating consequences. Accept what is, let go to what was. Have faith in what will be. To be the best, you must be able to handle the roast. Control your thoughts, or your thoughts will control you. You have three choices in life. You can watch things happen, make things happen, or wonder what the hell happened. Do not try to seem wise to others. If you want to live a wise life, live it on your own terms and in your own eyes. If a woman does not love you, she call you brother. Be at war with your wives, at peace with your neighbors, and let every new year find you a better man. Happiness depends more on the inward disposition of mind than on outward circumstances.